Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome back to another vlog day. It's kind of hitting the muffler. It's making something. man, this thing probably was really cool back in the day. So there's a Sears generator for you. Wow, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I kind of saw this, kind of had to have it. So there it is. It works, kind of, sort of. I'm sure with a legit belt. And I'm pretty sure if this was on here, that's probably where it's supposed to be. It would probably generate enough power to run in the optimal settings. So yeah, this is cool. So, I mean, there's your video on it. There's buying and selling this, because yeah, it's not mine. So I'm gonna have the dude that originally wanted this buy this. So, to be honest with you, I don't know what I would do with it. The modern age of tools now is battery operated. They didn't have that in the 70s. If they did, and clearly it wasn't good enough. So I don't really need one. So I'm going to get rid of it. Let it go. I bought it, reviewed it for you guys, so here it is. I'm sure this would be cool for a collector that just, you know, wants one to say they have one. But I have touched it and operated it, show you that it works. So it won't be the end of the world though. The dude that I'm selling it to will sell it back to me if he doesn't want it, or doesn't end up keeping it. So I don't think it's a huge deal. But yeah, that's sweet, dude. So I've always wanted to put my hands on one. So that was a very good demonstration of it. I heard that these are somewhat findable. You can put your hands on them, but I was told the bracket underneath, not very much. So really cool. It's kind of crazy that this would do 240 volt. I don't know, it says that's for 120. So where it would come up with the 240, I have no idea. So I guess it has two 120, so that makes sense. So it's either one 240 volt. So it's either one 240 volt or two 120 volts. So that would make sense, I guess. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, everything worked, so that was really cool. So with that being said, there is your little video there with the Sears generator, I guess you want to call it. Yeah, if you want to see, I don't know, I'll show it to you, I guess. I'll show you the dude who's buying it. So yeah, there's your little video of buying it, installing it, and then I guess I'll include selling it, or that'll be a different video. So there it is, and hopefully you enjoyed, and maybe I'll play with it a little bit more, I don't know, but this is the outro. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you guys in the next vlog day.